This nail is so nice. This one like is so pale colors, you know, perfect for springtime. And if you're first time using our condensed glue gel, it's just normal to feel really thick density, and you just need to blend it so then it stay nice and blend it with the nails. And no wipe top coat on the top of condensed glue gel. I haven't cleared my condensed glue gel yet, so that way you can't, when you place your crystals on, they're gonna stay nice. And the condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat will grab and kind of sucks the crystal charm chains in one place. Somehow I get that one. My dragon scale stay on that one. I just want to do a little bit here. I don't want to cover like dramatics flowers underneath. You can see that is really stunning. I didn't really want to like covers all of them, so I'm gonna make it really easy with that, because or else gonna ruin this whole entire the concept that we're sharing with. Again, I get a lot of chains, the charms, no, the frames right here. So I'm gonna put in my other tray. Can you see me picking at them? And this I'm using, I believe, is Mercury mixed bag. If you have one of these mixed bag, is stunning. It has so many different cool elements. I got quite several of them, and then in a different time that I order, I get my, then it different, it's kind of a different, it's like the main element in there, but it's kind of a difference of all different additional elements in there. So stunning. And they're so nice. Oh my goodness. Oh, you'll never get too many crystal and charms and everything. Hold on. I just got one more piece that I want. That's all. Oh, right here. I found it. Just that. Just that little piece that I wanted. That's it. And I want the beads. Hold on. Ooh, there's a lot of things in here. Still so many that I have in here. I already think for us for the next content. So good. My beads. Hello Instagram. Thank you so much for tuning in. Really enjoy it every night to get to do a live tutorial to share with everyone. Okay, I do 3 of them. Ah. That's it. I really, be honest, I don't want to do more than this. I can't, because you know me, I will never settle for less. I was like, do a lot more. But because it is so stunning pink, I do not want to take it away. So I'm going to stop right here. I have to say bye-bye. I'm not going to try to make a mess on this. All right. In the lamp for about 60 seconds. It looks stunning, though. Because I want to get a space so then you can still see the flowers underneath if you're seeing it, right? So, all looks good. Okay, just make sure. And then also, when you tell the clients, when doing the nails, when they key it, make sure. Oh gosh, I'm messing up. Make sure you adjusting them and don't let them look crooked, because then or else it's gonna look so funny. You have to take it out. Okay, done with that one. And let's move to this one. Should I do this one? Or should I do other color? Oh, I think I want some of either Bahamas. You got me some Bahamas there? Or this. This is so stunning. I want to work with this. Bahamas and that. Can you go get that one? Okay, I'm gonna work with that on this nails. So in the meantime, we're waiting. Do you want to wait for me to do precision glue, or you want me to go right into the other one? I'm gonna answer the questions. Hey, Creepy Claus, Spa Molly, thank you so much. Jordan, hey, how are you? Dajo Digits, how are you, sweetie? Did you? Oh yeah, right. Did you using these colors, Vicky? You using these colors? Somehow I view on a different view and feel like crooked. Okay. Crispy Claw. You can't get all the products, all the crystal from our official website. Link in the bio. Thank you so much, Vicky. Vicky send you that link, and also she will send you the code for you to shop online. You will save 15% off when you're using. So if you're first time using this precision glue, it's here in cool tip and trick. I'm using the needles, and I am going to just check around the edges of this when I see it's really scratchy right here. That's great, because then I know exactly where I need to squeeze a little bit of my precision glue. If the first time you're using it, don't need to float it a lot, because you don't want them to float it all your crystals. I'm gonna check it, and I'm gonna squeeze it out when I needed it. I think I've got it good. Check it. You see on the edges of the bars right here, sometimes it's scratchings, you know, like on the client's hair or their clothes. So I would really seal that well for the client's crystals. So great. I am going to keep it for 60 seconds, and this now are completely done. Yeah, nailed it, sweetie. You can get it using code VICKIJ, VICKIJ, to save 15% off on most products, and then when you shop it online, Glitz accessory and such. Vicky just give you North Carolina. Where is close to North Carolina? We are gonna be in Orlando, and then we're gonna be in Michigan, and what else? That we are going to Nail Tech event, Smokies in Gatlinburg, so that close to you. Yes, in Tennessee. Beach Nation, thanks so much for tuning in, sweetie. Hey, Za, hello. You are very welcome. Loving me. So that nails are completely done. When it's done, we're gonna look it over. And then now let's go into this. Let's dive right into this one. Stunning. Like, if you do this, you can't, so cool.